Okay mga kamads, mga kaibigan, welcome back to another content. So mga kamads, mga kaibigan, ang storya po natin ngayon ay malungkot. OMG. Dahil naghiwalay na po ang magkasintahang si Barbie Fortesa at saka si Jack Roberto. Oh, boo. So ano po ba nangyari? Well, kung babasahin ko to in its, kumbaga yung statement na nirelease nila, mukha naman mahirap yung pinagdaanan pero at least amicable siya. Ibig sabihin walang kung ano man yung walang siguro extracurricular activity ang nangyari kaya sila nagkahiwalay. So ngayon mga kamads, mga kaibigan, I ask AI kung ano ba ang sa tingin niya kung bakit naghiwalay si Jack Roberto at saka si Barbie Fortesa for today's video. Speculation lang naman, of course. These are public figures. We can always and sinabi naman nila na naghiwalay sila, so we can actually try to make commentary tungkol doon. Okay, so ito yung initial statement po ni Miss Barbie Fortesa. Sabi niya gano'n, "Having you in my life was the happiest I've ever been. 7 wonderful years, a lot of loves, a lot of ramen, and so much love. Your love was exceptional. But sometimes good things fall apart. So better things can come together." Kulit na beautiful goodbye, Jack. Mukhang amicable naman yung breakup. That's very good, ang ibig sabihin kasi ng amicable breakup, walang samaan ng loob. It's a mutual understanding that two parties fell apart because of siguro irreconcilable difference, and mamaya sasagutin niya ni ChatGPT kung anong sa tingin niya, kung ano yung nangyari sa dalawang ito. Thank you for loving me the way you did. I am excited of what's to come for both of us. You take care of yourself and you may find love you deserve. Oh. Sad. I hope everyone understand and I wish I could help us put this matter to rest. Okay, so mukha naman amicable yung breakup nila. Malamang yan, ako mamaya towards the end of the video, sasabihin ko sa inyo yung aking opinion tungkol dito. Of course, tandaan natin ang pagbe-break up or ang paghihiwalay ay napaka-normal na bagay yan. Of course, you have to go through the grief cycle, yung tinatawag nating anger denial, bargaining, depression, acceptance stage na yan, to fully understand yung pinagdadaanan nila. Siguro ngayon nandun pa sila sa siguro nandun pa sila sa proseso na yan. To what specific stage hindi natin alam. Pero we could always speculate kasi mga public figures ito. And sinabi naman nila publicly yung nangyari sa kanila. Okay, so of course ako, syempre gusto ko mas scientific approach. Tinanong ko si ChatGPT kung ano yung sa tingin niyang nangyari. Pwede naman yun kasi ChatGPT to eh. Okay, teka. Yun, no? Okay, so, una muna, sinet ko muna yung parameters ko. Tinanong ko kung kilala niya ba si Barbie Fortesa and si Jack Roberto. And kilala niya naman yan. And did you know they broke up? Tinanong ko na kahihiwalay lang. Ito, sabi niya, yes. Barbie Fortesa and Jack Roberto have ended the relationship after 7 years. Okay. January 2, 2025. It's a beautiful goodbye. Oh. Requesting for privacy. Okay. Tama naman yung mga citations dito ni ChatGPT. The couple, affectionately known as Jack B, began dating in 2007 after working together on romantic comedy Meant to Be. Oh, hindi it wasn't meant to be, sabi nga nila. This was admired by sayang eh, no. Ako nakakapanghinayang yung matatagal na relationship na ganyan, pero okay lang yan, nangyayari talaga yan, nagkakahiwalay talaga. Having been in relationships that ended, I know it's pretty normal. And even yung mag-asawa naghihiwalay, di ba? Tinanong ko muna si ChatGPT, why do you think couples break up? Or ano yung, ano yung pinaka-common na dahilan kung bakit sila nagbe-break up? Hindi ito related doon sa kay Jack Roberto at saka kay Barbie. Para lang makita ko kung asan yung mga yung stud niya. Sabi niya ganon, communication issues, ayan. Misunderstanding and lack of open dialogue, different priorities, loss of intimacy, fallout of love, trust issues by cheating factor, external factor, same. Incompatibility, irreconcilable difference, or hindi talaga kayo para sa isa't isa. Ow. Unresolved conflicts, personal growth. Of course, kung gusto mong mag-focus muna sa career bago relationship, and ito, lack of effort or neglect. Yung parang hindi na kayo para sa isa't isa. Ito, yung mga toxic behavior, alam niyo naman siguro yan, di ba? Yung away kayo ng away, hindi kayo magkasundo, and fading of feelings, nag-fall out of love lang. Okay, so, tinanong ko si ChatGPT, statistically speaking, of the things that you list down, which one of this commonly occurs? Sabi niya, communication problems. Ibig sabihin, pag hindi kayo masyadong nagko-communicate with each other, mata-terminate yung relationship nyo. And poor communication consistently rank as one of the top reasons relationship fail. Misunderstanding, lack of emotional expression, or inability to resolve conflicts. Yung number 2 dyan is infidelity. Oh, yan yung juicy eh. Diba? So, apparently, kung titingnan natin yung mga showbiz breakup, isa yan sa mga parang naging trending ng mga nakaraang panahon, 'di ba? Kay Cat Bernardo, kay apparently kay Rico Blanco at saka kay Maris Racal, 'di ba? So, infidelity is a major factor in many breakups. Incompatibility naman, over the time, couples may discover fundamental difference. O yun, 'di ba? Ibang-iba sila. And ito, loss of emotional connection, okay? And financial issues pala, ano rin pala yun, no? Issue din pala. And growing apart, of course. Now, tinanong ko si ChatGPT, hypothetically lang naman. Kumbaga, educated guess, okay? Hindi theory, educated guess. Magkaiba kasi ang hypothesis sa theory if we're speaking in the context of science. Growing apart, oh my God! They started dating in 2017 and were together for 7 years. A significant amount of time for personal growth and change. Kasi nga, eto, real talk to matagal na kasing hindi nagkakasama si Chuck Roberto at saka si Barbie sa sa palabas or pelikula. 'Di ba? Usually si Barbie being, I'm sorry to say, sorry dun sa mga fans ni Jack, being a more famous or more talented actor. I'm sorry. No offense kay Jack kasi magaling naman talaga si Barbie. Talagang mas wide yung coverage niya. So doon pa lang sa I guess doon sa area ng career nila, meron ng iba yung trajectory na tinatawag nila. Kasi parang si Jack Roberto ngayon more on the para siyang romantic comedy, parang ganun yung tipo niya para siyang yung mga ganong klaseng artista eh. He is still talented, tapos macho-macho, 'di ba? Parang ganun yung tipo niya. Unlike si Barbie Fortesa na talagang pangkalahatan 'yan. Okay? It's possible they evolve in different direction personally. Career pressure, okay? Of course, ang showbiz ay high pressure 'yan. Kung wala kang project, kung wala kang proyekto sa mga palabas, hindi ka relevant, 'di ba? And it's talagang demanding 'yan. Ayan, totoo naman 'yan. I remember kausap ko yung sino ba to? Yung director ng Victor Magtanggol. Dati daw ang gagawin nila, they would shoot for 1 week worth 5 weeks of content. Ganon sila mag-shoot. Talagang pagka nag-shoot sila talaga daw paspasan, as in lahat kailangan nilang makuha. And imagine mo yung dati yung parang yung kasama niya si David Licauco, yung palabas nila, yung ginawa natin ng review nung araw. So siguro dahil dyan, ito, emotional disconnect. When they appear supportive for one another, often faces challenges in maintaining emotional intimacy over the years. Ayun na pala. And external factors. Tinanong ako ni ChatGPT, ko David, di naman, what do you think could be the reason, hypothetically? Sabi kong ganun kay ChatGPT. Cheating. Syempre, kasi ngayon yung trending. Tapos, ito yung sagot niya. Haha, the cheating theory is always spicy. Guess when it comes to celebrity breakups. Tapos, pero ako, I think it's, I agree with ChatGPT. Yung growing apart and yung career trajectory nila kasi. I think, si Barbie kasi more talagang kailangan niya pang humataw kasi hindi na siya bata. So kailangan niya na ng more matured roles. Parang Cat Bernardo na yung level niya in terms of projects na kailangan niyang i-hit habang siya ay nasa peak pa niya. Unlike si Jack Roberto kasi medyo medyo steady yung career niya in terms of mga roles na makukuha niya. Siguro mas nandito ako at saka nandito. So number 1 at number 2. I don't think it's a third party. Kasi kung third party yan, malalaman natin yan. Kaya Mama OG, diba? So I think it's a very common na breakup yung sa mga sa mga career people. And I agree with ChatGPT. Palakpakan natin si ChatGPT. O paano? Yun lang naman yung sa akin for today. Kaya mga lods.